Hi everyone! Today, me, also known as Arina, and my group members will be talking about the uses of aldehydes in commercial and industrial applications. So, today we will be sharing how aldehydes are involved in industries like fragrance, pharmaceuticals, how they affect living system, and even how digital technology is used to detect them. So, let's start with Shahira, who will be talk about aldehydes in the fragrance industry, and then Shasha will be explain how they are used in the pharmaceuticals.
Hello everyone, today me and Shasha will talk about the uses of aldehydes in the commercial industry. Hello Shasha, let's talk about it. Do you know the uses of aldehyde in fragrance industry?
No, Shahira. Can you tell me about it?
Aldehydes are widely used in the fragrance industry for their distinctive scent and their ability to enhance and modify perfumes. Aldehydes can add sparkling, fresh, and airy notes to perfumes. Some aldehydes have soapy, citrusy, or waxy qualities which can make a fragrance smell clean and modern. For example, Chanel No. 5 perfumes that released in 1921 was revolutionary for its heavy use of aldehydes, and that gave it a bright abstract floral quality. For example, other than that, aldehydes also help to enhance a fragrance in terms of how long it lasts and also how far it is.
Shahira, do you know aldehydes are widely used in the pharmaceutical industry because of their chemical reactivity? Some aldehydes act as active pharmaceutical ingredients. For example, formaldehyde is used in small, controlled amounts to inactivate viruses and bacteria during vaccine production. Another example is retinol, the aldehyde form of vitamin A, which is important for vision health and is also used in some skincare treatments. At the same time, aldehydes are also important as intermediate in drug synthesis. Compounds like benzaldehyde are used to build more complex drug molecules through reactions like aldol condensation and reductive amination. These reactions are essential in producing medication such as sedative, antibiotics, and anti-inflammatory drugs.
Thanks, Shahira and Shasha. That was really interesting. Great job explaining the industrial uses of aldehydes. So now, let's move on to Uzma, who will be talking about how aldehydes affect living systems, and after that, Miss will be share how digital technology is used to detect them.
I'll be explaining how aldehyde affect living system, while my partner Nes will talk about the digital technology used to detect them. So first, let's look at the three important aldehydes: formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, and acetaldehyde. Formaldehyde is used to preserve biological specimens like organs and tissue by killing bacteria and preventing decay. It's useful in medical school, biology lab, and even museum display. So next is benzaldehyde, something we use more than we realize because it's found in perfumes and almond flavoring, giving off that sweet nutty aroma. And lastly is acetaldehyde, a compound your body produces when you drink alcohol. It's also formed in small amount in coffee, bread, and ripe fruits. However, all of these aldehydes can also be harmful. In high amount, they cause oxidative stress, which means there are too many free radicals and not enough antioxidant to stop cell damage. So over time, this contributes to serious diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson, cancer, and diabetes. So that's all from me. We move on to Nis to talk about the digital technology.
For my part, I will talk about three technologies developed to detect aldehydes in the body. First, Biosensors were created to quickly detect aldehydes in things like blood or bread, especially for people who might have been exposed to toxic chemicals. Then there's gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, or GCMS. This technology helps scientists to separate and identify tiny amounts of aldehydes in complex samples like body fluids with high accuracy. Finally, a simulation software allows researchers to model how aldehydes move through the body so they don't have to do experiments on people, and it's safer and much faster for research.
So that's all from us. As you can see, aldehydes are not just lab chemicals. They actually play a big role in our daily life. From making perfume smell amazing, to helping with medicine, affecting our health, and even being tried with modern technology. Aldehydes are more important than we think. Great job to all my teammates for explaining everything so clearly. And thank you for watching. We hope you learned something new today. Bye!